So I'm very happy with my new additions to the fireplace in my house. There's something special about it. I'm going to let JoJo explain what's going on.
It's an oil burning fireplace.
It's a what?
Oil burning fireplace.
What kind of oil?
Cooking oil.
Just like my car?
Yes.
But in the fireplace.
In the fireplace.
Alright, so what's this over here?
Big tank. It's molded.
It's molded. And then I got a valve.
Valve.
There's the valve. Yeah. And then that goes over here.
And I found a boat somewhere.
A boat?
Right there.
That's not a boat, that's a power strip.
Looks like a boat to me.
And then the blue valve lets air come in from my fan.
Yeah.
And then that's where the oil comes in. And then hopefully I won't melt the camera doing this. It actually, when it gets hot enough, it blows fire out of the pipe. But normally it just drips. You can see the drip going down every once in a while. It has a swirl of fire around it. But all that drips into a pan.
And you don't have to clean it out every day.
That's right. It makes very little ashes because we started with 3 pine cones. You can see a little bit of the pine cone left. Right behind Maggie Simpson. And it sure beats toting logs upstairs. Yeah. JoJo, show us your design so that I won't even have to tote the buckets of oil upstairs.
Down, glass, tank, hose, up, full, pull into the oil, which I should have done it myself.
That's okay. And what's this on the other side?
The fireplace and the scaffolding, which is not there anymore.
Yeah, I took the scaffolding down, but I had to have scaffolding so I could put the new pipe all the way up to the ceiling.
Yeah, and it ain't even that bumpy. Sorry.
So yeah, this is Joe's idea of down on the ground. He put an M instead of a W, but that's okay. And then that's the hose that goes through the floor.
And I put an E instead of an O.
And then there's up, and then it goes into the tank. So all we got to do...
what did it mean to make the rain so quickly?
That's okay. Where's the pump at, JoJo? Didn't you say there was a pump?
Yeah, but I didn't get to drawing it.
Okay, but we know where the pump's at.
Yeah.
It's down there where the tank is.
So I'll just...
So yeah, this was completely Joe's idea. So we're going to design it and call it the Joe Pump. Right?
Write Joe Pump on it.
I'll write Joe Pump on it, definitely. Got to give credit to the designer.